Meredith here, or Ethan. Today I'm bringing you, I don't know why I'm playing this, I'm not very happy with myself, but I'm playing Cat Mario, and apparently it's a pretty famous game, I think. Okay, so, basic controls. No! Oh, I thought I died already. So apparently this is kind of like a rage game. Oh wait, that's an enemy. As you can see, it kind of like weirdest stuff happens. So like that. Does he fall back down? Alright, let's go. My door just opened. Stupid wind. Alright, that was weird. Okay, so watch out for... I'm already getting mad. I don't cope well with these games. I get really mad really fast. You know what? Move expensive items away from me because I'm gonna smash something. Smash. I said smash. Whatever. Okay, so don't hit that. Watch out for the flying guy. Watch out for this guy. And then... make a jump. Kill him. Whoa, that didn't kill him. Mushroom? Mushroom. What did that do? Right, let's go up here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, so stuff breaks in this. Oh, yes, flag. Oh, no, no. Oh, that was close. Okay. These controls are really weird. He jumps so It's so late and I've got a Coke. It's like 11 o'clock. Yeah, 11. Oh, so I can't be too loud. Okay, really? Okay, this... Oh, why? Alright, so watch out for the falling pit. Alright, dodge falling pit. Now jump really far and keep calm and carry on. Oh my god. Oh wait, this time just jump. No. Nope. No. I want to smash something. -4 already? I haven't beaten the first level. Okay, so it's time. Land right here. Oh, okay. Why block? Why? Oh, that was too low. I forgot about that hole. Okay, alright, jump. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, you do it. You better jump. Whoa. Jump. Yes. Do I want to jump on top or what? Alright. Flying laser beams. Let's move that away a little too loud. Okay, so go, jump, land, and jump, and jump. Forgot about the block. Oh my god. God darn it! Darn hootin'! Oh, I'm just trying really hard not to scream and destroy something. I've already dented my desk, but whatever, as long as you guys like it. Okay, get that stupid block out of the way. Jump. Okay, watch out for the falling guys. Hello. Okay, so do the shuffle. Jump over. Now, watch out for Mr. Yes. And oh, what? Whoa! What? Oh, I jumped over it. Oops. Alright, 4 minutes in and I haven't beaten this. That's really annoying. Alright, jump here. Jump straight up. I thought I fell in. Alright. clouds! How dare you betray me like that? Just all nice, white, and fluffy, and then as soon as I touch, like, jump into you, if I don't talk, I'll live. So it's one try. Didn't work. Did not work at all. Here's the plan. Oh, no, jeez. I forgot about this block. No! There's nothing soft in near me. So I'm either punching wood, metal, oh. Okay, focus. Jump. Dodge pit. Jump. Jump across. Get distraction. Don't fall off. Get across. Now jump. Watch out for cleaning demon cloud, guy. Dodge the... What? Alright, whatever. Dodge the laser like a boss. And... it wouldn't let me move! Maybe I did the air right the first time. Maybe I'm supposed to jump over it. Now I'm just going full out. No! Okay. I'm getting so mad. I don't handle well with these games. I'm not a quitter. Okay, jump up and across. Watch out for Demon Cloud, and he's falling. Okay, good. At least I lived. Watch out for Demon Cloud. Run away from his friends. Do the shuffle. Alright, now it's... Okay, then. Dodge the laser beam. Okay, now I think we have to jump over the pole. Stay close. Now, alright, do I go in? What? Is it like... What? What do I do? Whoa, what? Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall, please. Yes! Whoa, where did it just take me? Stage 2! Oh, and that's all for this painful episode. It hurt. Physically, too. I'm not doing this again unless you guys really want me to, so leave a comment if you want to see it again, I guess. But, oh, that is the most aggravating game I've ever played. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.